huge here in Derry. We have the biggest Halloween event certainly in Europe. 3 or 4 days of absolutely wonderful activity here in the city. Our big events obviously Awaken the Wall City and then our carnival parade and fireworks, but we see more and more every year in the innovation of people right throughout the city and district. And this year Ulster University are hosting a zombie conference, believe it or not.
The kind of people who attend a zombie symposium are probably the people you might expect. We're sort of a ragtag bunch of people from different aspects of academia. It's people from all different parts of the world, all different universities, all studying different things, who just have a weird innate love of zombies and the undead.
We'll have panels, workshops, discussions, film screenings, and we're all coming together to kind of take a deep dive into zombie culture and new directions in zombie studies.
We treat the subject with sincerity. It's also very much tongue-in-cheek.
There is no better place on earth. Derry is absolutely the place to do it.
People here love it. In other parts of the world, people go home for Christmas. People here come home for Halloween. This is the highlight of our year. Derry is to Halloween what Rio is to Carnival. You know, this is the place to come to celebrate Halloween.